Welcome to our guide on adding Venmo to Apple Pay and Google Pay. Today, we'll explore how to seamlessly integrate these services for easier transactions. Adding Venmo to your mobile wallets opens up a world of convenience and speed, making your transactions smoother than ever. Let's dive into the setup. We'll start with the essential steps to integrate Venmo into your Apple Pay. Ensure your Venmo account is verified for a smooth integration with Apple Pay. Here's how. Now, let's navigate through the Apple Wallet app to add Venmo to your payment options. Now we'll switch gears and look at how to add Venmo to Google Pay in just a few simple steps. Just like with Apple Pay, make sure to verify your Venmo account for Google Pay's integration as well. Accessing the Google Pay app to add Venmo won't be a hassle. Let's walk through it together. Encountering some issues? Don't worry. Here's how to troubleshoot common problems during setup. In conclusion, adding Venmo to your mobile payment wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay can significantly simplify your transactions. Happy paying!